Hey folks, welcome back. This is Tom, $20 Budget Prepper. Here today at the Dollar Tree. Remember the other day I got what I could off of the Dollar General aisle. We spent $6.60, so I got like 13 something left. That's going to get us about 9 items. So let's go see what I can get, and that will make up our $20 budget. Okay, we are here on the canned goods aisle, and they've got my chicken a la king. That's good till January of 24, so we're going to get that, and they are well stocked. Actually, they are stocking as we speak, so I'm quite happy with what they got going here at this Dollar Tree I frequent every now and then. Folks, welcome to week number 9. This is our combination of what we got from Dollar Tree, and then from my previous video, what was left that I could get at the Dollar General. They had the empty shelves. As you can see here, spent $6.69. Over here on Dollar Tree, we spent $12.04. I went ahead and just got one of the replacement shakes since I taste tested. Good till 23. I found my breakfast biscuits, the cinnamon and brown sugar. Those are good till February 23. I got my chicken and dumplings. They're good till, let me try to get that, January 24. And then my chicken a la kings I've been looking for. Good also till January of 24. So there you have it. Let's add up the number of servings, number of calories, and we'll go from there. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm out. Okay, folks, so for week number 9, we ended up with 23 servings, 230 grams of protein, and 5,450 calories. So there you go. Pretty good week. Thanks for watching.